Hello and welcome to today's lecture. My name is Miho Fukuda of the Graduate School of Human Life and Ecology at Osaka Metropolitan University. I want to talk about Open Nagaya Osaka and historical research of architecture. The Nagaya is a type of row house made up of several households living next to each other. Our research focuses on Nagaya built before World War II. This photo shows a Nagaya and the owner's residence with modern apartments in the background. This area in the busy city of Osaka has had many wooden houses torn down and replaced by apartments. This graph clearly shows the number of Nagaya in Osaka City has been decreasing. They will surely disappear if nothing is done. However, we consider Nagaya not only as homes, but also as structures with historical value. We decided to hold events for the public to visit Nagaya and understand life in these old homes. We want to promote their preservation and use. This is what Open Nagaya Osaka is about. This event came about through a discovery. In the Toyosaki area of Osaka, we found the Nagaya and the owner's residence still standing together. This is probably the only example of its kind in Osaka City. It is also a rare example of the owner and tenants still living there. This is the owner's residence and the Nagaya seen from above in Toyosaki. The owner's residence is highlighted in yellow. The Nagaya are in blue. Open Nagaya Osaka began in 2011. Students from the Department of Living Environment Design took the lead in planning the project with support from the faculty. The first event took people on a tour bus to the Toyosaki Nagaya and two other Nagaya. An expert in Nagaya preservation gave explanations. Open Nagaya Osaka has since been held over 2 days every autumn to allow visitors to observe Nagaya life. We limit the rooms the public can visit to preserve privacy. More Nagaya are participating in the event. In 2023, 30 Nagaya participated. Besides this event, we also let the public learn about Nagaya and Machiya, the owner's residences, through our Open Nagaya School. Exciting things have happened since we started Open Nagaya Osaka. For example, at Suehiro Nagaya, the owner who had visited Open Nagaya Osaka decided to keep the Nagaya as is, rather than tear it down and clear the land. The owner had learned that Nagaya could be safely preserved at a lower cost than expected. The owner also realized that there are people who want to live in Nagaya. Historical research of architecture is one of the research collaborations that support Open Nagaya Osaka. At the Toyosaki owner's residence, our research found that the use of the shikidai ceremonial doorway and the foyer had changed. The shikidai was traditionally used as a doorway for special occasions such as weddings and funerals. In Toyosaki, a TV was bought in the late 1950s and placed in the foyer by the shikidai, suggesting that the shikidai was likely no longer being used from that time. The TV placed in the space for solemn ceremonies altered the nature of the space. We have also made findings regarding dining styles. In the Toyosaki owner's residence, a set of traditional tableware called hakozen was used until the 1950s. From that time on, a Japanese-style low dining table called a chabudai has been used. For future research, we want to look at new ways of living in old homes. First, we will study the history of traditional homes in more detail to uncover information such as the changes in how rooms are used. We will consider ways to pass down traditions. It is not necessary, nor is it possible to preserve and pass down all the old ways of living. We will continue our research by experimenting and considering new ways of using buildings, hoping to discover new ways of living. With what we present through Open Nagaya Osaka, we want to show that it is possible to find new appeal in living in an old home.